Hi, this is Laura. I thought I'd put up a quick video of the new LED bulbs that I bought on Amazon to replace these very blue LEDs. So you can see above the the dinette table, that white light is the standard one that comes with it. And I'm going to pan up. This is now the light with these new warmer bulbs. I think it's a lot easier on the eyes. But I definitely like the nicer, warmer feel that it gets. Ignore the hose from the HVAC in the picture. Still working on something else. But definitely think that adds a different feel in the camper. Makes it feel a little bit more homey. The bulbs themselves are a little bit different. They don't have a little screw area on the top like the standard ones do. Here's another view of the two lights. On the left-hand side is the one that came standard with host campers. The other one is the one I got on Amazon. It's a slight bit brighter, it seems. Even though the connectors are different, both of them still fit fine into the existing connector housing. So you can see the existing bulbs, they fit into that connector, but they do have a screw on the outside. These are the new ones, but you can see on the side there is no screw to hold them in. We'll have to see if that really has any impact on connections over time. Here's another view with them side to side. The left one obviously is the ultra bright one. The right one is the new warmer LEDs that I bought on Amazon. Unfortunately, the one thing that I would love to have is a something that disperses the light a little bit better, but I think that's really more for the lens. I think the light style is definitely an individual preference, but for us, that harsh blue light seemed to give us a little bit more headaches. So I'm hoping that this more natural light will help reduce some of that.